how to register Virgin Money credit card. Now if you want to register for credit card or apply for a credit card in this case, right, to do so it's very simple. First of all, you open your browser and just search for Virgin Money credit card link, and you'll find the first link from Virgin Money themselves. So you want to simply go to the credit card link. Now first of all, it is also important for us to check our eligibility. So tap on the check your eligibility option. You'll find the card checker option. So here you need to see a couple of rules before you try to apply. You need to be a UK resident and 18 plus age and have a UK bank account and 7,000 euros per annum of income or household income of at least 15,000 euros per annum and pass the affordability checks. Scroll down and just tap on the next option button here, and after you've done that, you can see Virgin Money will give you a certain form to fill out if you want to apply for this credit card. So here you can enter the about section like the title or Mr. or first name, last name, date of birth, where do you live, and other options, and you can enter your email. Tap on the next option, follow the other on-screen instructions and fill out those form, and based on the details on your form, Virgin Money will let you know whether or not you're eligible, and then they will approve your application process if you are eligible. So this way you will be able to register for Virgin Money credit card. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.